Hello, little bricks! Welcome back to the Little Brick Toy House. Yes, sirree, Bob! Random has dropped off another surprise gift for us today. This time it's wrapped in Avengers wrapping paper, and it has a bright blue, beautiful bow. Well, let's not wait any longer. Let's open this package up. Rip open the paper. And yes, it's Lego City Demolition Starter Set. Let's build. Lego City Demolition Starter Set, ages 5 to 12, and there's 85 pieces altogether. This package comes with 4 minifigures. See them on the back? And it looks like we're demolishing a building. Now let's open up the box. And remember, if you're building along with me at home, you can pause the video anytime to catch up. Shake everything out, nothing left inside. Let's see what we have here. 2 bags of bricks and an instruction booklet. Let's open up the first large bag. Dump it all out, and now let's open the smaller bag that has the smaller bricks inside. Cool, let's build the minifigures first. So for our first minifigure, the one I've chosen has a pretty grumpy face and sweat pouring down the side of his cheek. We have to put on his red hard hat for safety. There he is. He's wearing suspenders and a back brace. I think we should call him Jason. Now for our second minifigure. This worker has a beard, and he's wearing crazy brown pants. He also has a red hard hat, and in his hand, he's going to hold here, there it is, a red megaphone, so he can call out the orders. I think we'll call this one Dennis. Now it's time for the third minifigure. Oh, this one's wearing cool shades, protective glasses to protect his eyes, blue jeans. Ooh, and his red hard hat comes with ear protection as well. And let's see, he is going to hold in his little hands a jackhammer. Hey, I think we should name him Jack. Okay, Jack, to the back. And finally, we have our fourth minifigure. Oh, and it looks like this one is a girl. Put on her orange pants. And there's her red hard hat, and she has long brown hair. Let's see, what is she gonna hold? Oh, a sledgehammer. Sledgehammers are great for knocking down stone walls or drywall. She's one tough cookie. We'll put the sledgehammer in her hand, think we'll name her Michelle. All right, Michelle, to the back you go. Now, a construction site or a demolition site is not complete without safety cones. This warns the traffic to go around the construction site. So now we will start the front loader. We'll take this long gray brick and we'll attach these 2 black bricks behind it, and this is what will hold the wheels and tires on the front loader. This blue brick goes on the front, like that. It doesn't matter which end. And then right beside the blue brick is this yellow brick, and finally the small yellow brick at the end. We'll top that off with a long gray brick. How are you doing? You can pause at any time to catch up. Now this yellow brick is going to go right at the same end as that little protruding yellow piece. And another yellow brick. But first we'll put a couple pieces on it. There we go. And we'll put that one right beside the other yellow one, just like that. Well, can you believe it? Another yellow brick. And we'll put it right at the end. These orange lights go at the same end as the yellow protruding piece. An orange one goes on that side, and another orange one goes on the other side. Now this gray piece goes at the front where the blue brick is. And the other one goes on the back where the yellow brick is. We have a couple more lights. These ones are clear. So it goes on the opposite end of the orange one. The clear ones are there with the blue. A black square. This piece fits right in the middle. Now these long flat yellow bricks go on either side. One there and one right across from it. There you go. Now here's a couple black grills. These black grills go on the same side as the blue brick. One goes on the front. Oops, I've got it upside down. One goes on the front, right above the blue brick. The other gray piece goes on top. Now turn it around to the back side, and we put the red lights right on the back. Okay, so again, there's your blue brick, and at that end, we are going to put the shifters. This moves the bucket up and down and the machine back and forth. Awesome. And on the back side, where the red lights are, we're going to put these two black pieces. Yay! And now it's going to look like a front loader for sure. Here is the cab, and the cab just clips in to these 2 black bricks. And it opens and closes to let our minifigure in and out of the front loader. Whoops, Jack, I knocked you over. How about we put you over here? Perfect. Now we need to move around quite easily, so of course we need wheels and tires. And there's 4 of these, and we just slide the wheel, the gray wheel, into the black rubber tire. Oh, I had a wheel run away. And the 4th one. Okay, they're quite bouncy. Now we're going to put them right onto the front loader. Ooh, make sure you've got the tire the right way. There we go. And all 4 of them just slide onto the black brick that's already on the front loader. Number 3 and number 4. Wow, that is gonna move. That's awesome. Okay, step 16. Now here is an orange safety light for the top of the front loader and the big yellow bucket, which just clips on to the blue piece at the front, and it moves up and down. Awesome, it looks great. Now let's put Jason inside the loader. Oh, let's turn him so that he's facing us while he's doing the work. Pop him right in. We have to make sure that he squishes down on the brick, and then we can put the little levers into his hands, or at least near his hands. Put the cab back on. Watch out, Jason's backing up. Okay, time to build the bathroom. This gray piece is the floor. And we're gonna put some light brown bricks on the floor. 1, 2, 3, all in a row. We'll put another brick right here beside the wall. This white slanted brick goes beside the gray brick, and another white brick in front. Do you know what that is for? This piece looks like a water pipe. And we have to build the wall up a little bit more. So we'll put these gray bricks up, like so. Oh, actually, move it over 1. So there's a brown brick still exposed at the very end. 1, 2, 3 in a row, and the brown one is still empty. And now I bet you can guess what this is. On goes the tank, and on goes the bowl. That's right, it's the toilet. Oh my, I hope there's a lid. Whew, there is. I would hate to see what's inside there. And we'll put the top of the tank on as well. A couple more bricks, 1 on the end. Oopsies, and 1 right behind the toilet, like that. And then finally, the last piece on the toilet. Here comes the fun. It looks like water is spraying everywhere. There's water going up in the air, and there's water coming out of the wall. This is the last part of the old building to be demolished. We'll move Jason in place. Dennis will go over to supervise. Gotta put up the safety cones just to make sure the traffic doesn't hit anybody. Okay, Jack, you can jackhammer the floor, And Michelle, you can bang on that wall.
Can I have the front loader take position, please? Over. Okay, guys, let's finish up this work and get ourselves to Tim Hortons for some lunch.
Oh, there's Jason working away in the front loader. Michelle and Jack are having a great time. There's Dennis, the foreman of the site. Michelle's always so happy on the job. Oh, Jason, a freak snowstorm. Can you clear this demolition site for us, please? Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed building the Lego City Demolition Starter Set with me today. Be sure to subscribe by clicking on Random the Robot's little head. You'll be guaranteed to see many more videos just like this one, which includes City, Marvel, Friends, Disney Princess, and even Batman. And hey, while you're at it, why don't you leave a comment for Random the Robot, letting him know what other types of toys and building sets we should build together next time. Until then, see you later, alligator.